How to delete all liked songs in Spotify. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete all liked songs in Spotify. So before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, you'll need to open up your Spotify. So open up your Spotify in your web browser. Also keep in mind that this mostly works for your web version. It's much more easier. You can also do this in your mobile device, but it takes a long time since you have to do it all one by one. So here you can select your liked songs from your Spotify playlist. Now here you can what you can do is press on the shift key and press on this one song that's on the top. After that, scroll down all the way to the bottom and select the last song. Now since you are holding the shift key, all of the the liked songs will get selected. Now this is the part that won't be working on your mobile device. After you've done that, right click on one of those songs. My bad, let me just go back. Select one song again and right click on any of the songs and simply select remove from your liked songs. After that, all of your liked songs will get removed all at once. And that's basically how you do it. And it's that simple. And that's it for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.